Now let's look at this question that came out in Uniport Post UTME. Is under what? Under statistics, right? We are talking about statistics, and under statistics we are call by pie charts, right? This question is under pie chart. Now there's a reason why I have to explain this video here or create this video, because that you might see question under pie chart. I know that large majority of students don't know how to solve questions like this. It's a little bit confusing, but it's very easy. Now I've done a complete class on statistics, right? But I didn't explain this one here. It's like solving past question on statistics here. If you want that video, leave a message that you want that video. And also, I've created a complete PDF I used to give for free under statistics. Solve those examples question on statistics. If you want that video, if you want that PDF, also leave a message that you want that PDF, and I'm sending you a link to for you to download it in case you have not seen that video or you have not got to watch the PDF. Right? My main mission here is to give you videos and material that will be of great help to you, so you can blast your post UTME exam, especially with Uniport. Right? So let's look at what pie chart. Now, pie chart represents a circular diagram. Pie chart represents what? A circular diagram that is divided into slices. Each of these slides represent what? A sector. Now, which I want to break down. So when we talk about pie charts, we talk about pie charts. Pie chart. Right? A pie chart is what is circular diagram that is divided into slices. That is divided into slices. That is divided into slices. That is divided into slices like this. It's okay. That is divided into slices. It's okay. Now, the total circle represents the total quantity. Just now the total circle here represents the total quantity. Just now each of these slides is now what? Sector. So you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are having what? 4 sector. Now look at something here. If they say 35 students, 36 students, 100 students, the whole of this circle here represent that numbers of cells which called quantity. Just now each of these slides represent what? Sector, right? Now each of these sector are measured in degree, right? Are measured in degree. Are measured in degree. Very important here. They are measured in what? Each of these sector are measured in degree. They are measured in degree. Let's say A degree, B degree, C degree, and what? D degree. Just that they are measured in degree. That is another thing to pay close attention to. The total angle, right? Remember the sum of angle in a circle, right? The sum of angle in a circle or angle in a circle is 360. The total angle here is good. When you sum all the angle together, it's going to be what? 360 degrees. So this is what you want to understand. Now the total circle represents the total quantity. If they say 100 students, then this one represents the whole of the 100 students. If they say 50 students, this one represents the whole of the 50 students, right? Now, and this pie chart is divided into sector. So here we have sector here, right? Now, each sector are measured in degree. So this one must measure in degree, must measure in degree, must measure in degree, and must measure in degree, right? All that you want to understand here, the total angle, the summation of the total angle in this pie chart is what? Is 360. Do you understand? So with this information now, you can now solve some key questions using a formula. I'm going to give you a formula that can be used in pie chart. So let me give you that formula in pie charts. Formula for pie charts. Pie chart. This is called pie chart formula. And what is the pie chart formula here? It's very easy. Angle of a sector, right? Over 360, right? That is, remember, these are angles. Angle of the sector over the total angle, which is 360. Because what? Number in the categories, because each of these will have their own numbers, which I want to look at, right? Each of these have their own numbers. Numbers in the categories over what? Total number, right? The total number in the pie chart, which is 36. So it is saying that if you want to make this guy the solve formula, you always make this guy the solve the formula. You just want to get your number in the categories. Now these are numbers of pass, numbers of students that pass, numbers of students that got credit, numbers of students that got very, very good, numbers of students that got excellent. They say that if you look at it very well, the grade of 36 students in the test are shown in the pie chart. How many students had excellence? So this is what you want to use here. angle of a sector over what? 360 equals to numbers in the categories. That is numbers of students in excellence. Do you understand? Over the total number. The total number is what is 36 now, right? So if you want, make this guy the subject of formula here. Now, please, if you are following so far, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you know that you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn the notification bell icon so that whenever I upload another video here, it will give it to you. You'll be notified, right? And let me know the course you are going for, and let me know your JAM score. Just let me know the course you are going for. Let me know what your JAM score is. Very important. Leave it at the comment section. So what I want to do here is to what make this guy the self formula. So let me get. So I make this number in the category the self formula here. I want to cross multiply, right? So it would be number in the categories equals to what? Angle of a sector times total number. Angle of a sector times what? Total number over, right? What happened here? 360 degree, right? That is it. So now with this one here, let's solve this problem here. Let's solve this problem. Now we have to solve two problems. This one and the second one, so that we understand very well. So look at it here. They are talking about excellence. So the total numbers of students, total numbers of students, equals to 36, right? Is what is 36, right? Now look at what angle of a sector, right? How do you get the angle of a sector? Because I talk about excellence here. Remember, here is what is 120, here is 80. Now this one you are seeing here is angle 90. Just so we need to get this one here. How do you get this one here? You sum all this one together. You sum two, you add it together. 120 plus 80 plus 90, right? So from 360, you are going to get this one here. So here we can say angle of excellence, angle of sector, angle of what? Of sector is equal to what? 360 minus, right? Going to be what? 120 plus 80 plus 90. Do you see that? Now why is it like that? Because here we have 120, here we have 80. This one here you are seeing here is angle 90. Just is angle 90. So you subtract them together. So subtract it from what? 360 here. So here we have 360 minus 120 plus 80 plus 90. Here we have 70. Right? So you got to go 70. Right? So now the angle is what? Is 70, right? From calculation. Here you have 360. So here number in the categories here. Number in the categories. Yeah, number in the category here. What is the angle now? Yes, 70 degree times total number is what? Is 36 over what? 360. So let's see. So it's going to be 70 times 36, right? Divided by 360. Here we have 7. So we have what? 7. 7 is what is the answer. So 7 is what is the answer. 7 is what is the answer here. So you can size it is here, right? So just follow this procedure I've just done in this video. You can see how easy it is. It's not difficult, right? So we are still going to solve on that question so that you understand it better. Now, if so far this video is helpful, please leave a comment that this video is helpful and give it a like. Share this video to other persons who will be writing Uniport CME exam, and I would be glad to see more students subscribe to this YouTube channel, right? Can be part of the growth of this YouTube channel. So let's look at what question 2. So far, if this video is helpful, like comment that this video is helpful. So let's look at the second question. Now let's look at what question 2, right? Is that the pie chart shows the sectorial allocation of foods. Find the allocation for the orange, right? And look at it very well. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 sectorial, right? We have for banana, which is 5x, plantain 2x, lime 5x, orange 4x, apple x. Understand that remember the sum of all the angles in the pie chart is what is 360, right? It's 360. So what we want to do here is that apple plus orange plus, you can say apple plus orange plus lime plus banana plus plantain, so 360 degree, right? It's okay. Now apple is what is x plus orange is what is 4x, 4x. Lime, what is lime? Lime is what is plus what 5x, right? What is plantain? Plantain is what is 2x plus banana. Banana is what is 5x. So banana is what is 5x plus plantain is what is 2. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals to what? 360. So the goal here is to get your x, right? 17 what x equals to what 360 degree, right? Sum them together. This is what I'm going to get. Divide both sides by 17, right? So my s is equals to what? My s equals to 360 divided by what? 17. You have 21.18. So we have 21.18, right? Degree. This is that. So for the apple, now what they say should find here. For the orange, for the orange is what? For the orange is 4x, right? You go to be what? 4 times 21.18. Go to be what? Times 4. We have 84.7. 85. No one is close here. No one is close here. So you have 84.7 degree. Approximately what 80 what 5 degree. No option here. No option. There's no option here. The option is not here, right? But understand it's here. You're going to sum them together. S plus 2s plus 5x. S plus 5s plus 2s plus 5s plus 4s. You go to give us 17x, right? Because what is divide both sides by 17 here, I want to get this on here. For orange, you multiply by 4, right? Get this on here. Now, if they say for apple is what? It is 21.18 degree, right? This is how to solve it. Hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, please like, make sure that this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. If you want the free PDF, leave a comment that you want the free PDF, and I will send you the link to get the free PDF on statistics. Now, more of this video will come your way, so make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell icon, so whenever I upload a new set of video, that will be of great help to your application. You're going to get it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.